Don't lean over it with your face, though. Is it on fire? Okay, take it away now. Take yours away. Here.
It's burning.
Okay.
It's burning up.
All right, let's see what happens. Move your hands kind of back. Ooh, what's happening? You can skip back to you if you're nervous.
It burns up quick.
I remember in one of the videos, it like
Right? It made it look like it was like
So fast.
unless do you think they sped it up?
possibly. And we didn't see the flames either.
How do we put this out?
I don't know if it's supposed to burn itself out,
Just wait and see, I guess.
or do we take out water? It says it's caution hot. Let's see. When we set the solid fuel on fire, the whole range of chemical transformation takes place, accumulating in a small heap of white powders, turning to a huge black snake.
Remember
Mine is like a huge black tree.
Yours looks like a
it
big.
also said it took like 30 minutes.
Maybe it takes time for it to burn itself out.
It's going high.
Mm-hmm.
I think they sped it up. What do you think?
You think so? Yeah.
Well, this is fun.
It's interesting, huh?
Yeah.
And this is a way to create fire.
Oh, look at it.
But it's a chemical fire.
Yeah. Well, we used
It's
regular
white
fire,
fire.
too.
It's white fire.
No, it isn't.
It
I
looks
see
kind of
white.
white in it, yeah.
Yeah.
There's some blue,
It looks 2D, but it's actually 3D.
right? Look at it. Interesting, huh? Oh, look at the heat sensor thing on the side of your oven is changed colors to show it's hot.
How cool.